Hello and welcome to hosting for Drupal. Now you can certainly get your own server somewhere, set up the LAMP stack, install Drupal. But if you don't want to worry about it and you want some personalized support, you can go ahead and go to Web Networks at web.net. And as you can see, you can also for $5 a month get your own web.net or web.ca address. I have one myself and I use it all the time because it's much shorter than my Gmail email address. Go ahead and go to contact us at web.net, fill it in, say, hey, I want to use some Drupal, and they'll help you out. They're very great guys, and they are great at keeping Drupal up to date if that's what you want. They'll help you out with development, of course, for a fee, but in any case, Web Networks is your one-stop Drupal shop. Go check it out.